Welcome to my lecture. Today, here in this lecture, I am going to explain the identity and inverse of an element in case of a binary operation on a set. That means, if any binary operation is defined on a set, first of all, then identity element may or may not be exist. What is identity element? As well as after existing of the identity element, we can easily think about the inverse of the elements of the set where the binary operation is defined. Now here in this lecture, I am going to explain one after the other. First of all, identity element of a binary operation on a set. First of all, a binary operation should be given and it should be defined on a set. On a set it should be defined. Remember, identity element means what? Depending upon the binary operation, identity element may be different. Okay, and if it exists, it is always unique. Identity element is always. That means on a set, under a certain binary operation, we have unique identity element. That is, only single identity element will be there in that set. So let us consider, or let us first write down a definition. Let star be a binary operation on a non-empty set. On a non-empty set A. First statement. The binary operation is defined on a set, non-empty set A. A is the set where the binary operation is defined. What does it mean? Star is a binary operation on A means, I think this is the statement, star such that across A to A. Those who have gone through the previous video, then obviously you have come to know that star such that across A to A is another representation of star is a binary operation on a non-empty set A. An element E belongs to A. Remember, a particular element of the set E, if it exists, and particular element A, E belongs to A, is said to be the identity element. Identity element if E star A equal to A star E. For all A belongs to A. Just go to the statement property. That means if a particular element is there in the set A, and after having the operation of that element with any one element of the set, A is what? A represents any one element of the set A. All the elements of the set A. A number set to দুটো element খিনি small a দ্বারা represent করা হয়েছে. An element will be considered as the identity element if it satisfies this condition. That means after having the operation of that particular element with each and every element of set A, সেই particular element to বাকিবিলাক যিকোনো এলিমেন্টৰ লগত যদি অপাৰেশন কৰা যদি এলিমেন্ট টু সেম থাকে তেতিয়াহলে তাকে আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট বুলি কোৱা হ'ব. So let us consider an example, it will be easier for us. Let us consider a set of natural numbers. Okay, multiplication is defined on a natural number. First of all, it is a binary operation. Do you know why? Multiplication is a binary operation on n. That means if we multiply any two natural number, answer will be a natural number. That means it will be an element of the natural number set. Am I correct? That's why it is a binary operation. That means multiplication of two natural number is again a natural number. Multiplication of two natural number. Here the binary operation is multiplication. Two natural number you have to consider, multiply it, then you will have a natural number once again. That's why it's a binary operation. First of all, my question is that is there any particular element in the set of natural numbers? Natural number set to এনেকুৱা কিবা particular element আছে নেকি? এনেকুৱা কিবা natural number আছে নেকি? যাৰ লগত তুমি যিকোনো natural number multiply কৰা. Remember, multiplication is the binary operation here. So you should have to concern about the operation as well as the set where the binary operation is defined. Now my question is that is there any natural number on the set of natural number? Is there any element? ইয়াৰ এনেকুৱা কিবা এলিমেন্ট আছে নেকি? এনেকুৱা কিবা natural number exist কৰিছে নেকি? যাৰ লগত তুমি any natural number you can easily multiply. যিকোনো natural number multiply কৰাৰ পাছত that natural number will be same. কিলে 1 নহয় নেকি? 1 is that particular number. 1 এই নাম্বাৰটো হয় এই সেটটোৰ ভিতৰত থকা 1 একমাত্ৰ নাম্বাৰটো যাৰ লগত তুমি যিকোনো natural number multiply কৰা it will be same. That means 1 into 5. What is the answer? 5. Am I correct? So this is the number 1 into 7. What is the answer? 7. That means 1 into 0. What is the answer? 0. That means 1 is that particular number after having the multiplication with any natural number. That natural number will be same. You mean যিকোনো natural number multiply করা natural number to same থাকে. That's why 1 satisfies this property. 1 into a is equal to a. Correct? That's why 1 will be known as the identity element. Correct? After having the operation, the element should remain same. 1 into 5, or you can say that 5 into 1, both are have the same value. That's why this one is known as left hand identity because E is written on the left hand side, and this one is known as right hand identity because E is right on the right hand side of this statement. So that means it should be equal, left hand as well as right hand. Both the conditions are satisfied, then and then only remember it is known as identity element. And already I have told them, if identity element exists, যদি identity element exist করে, it is always unique. It is সদায় unique. তার মানে এটা সেটত তোমালোকে এটাতে বেশি identity element কি পাবা। One is the only identity element. One is the identity element of that set. Other than one, you will not have any identity element. তোমালোকে ভাবিছে ভাবিছ না? আৰু কিবা নাম্বাৰ আছে নেকি যাৰ লগত মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে বাকি সব নাম্বাৰ সেম থাকে? No. তোমালোকে ক'ব নোৱাৰা। 0 is not a number. 0 না লগত 0 লগত মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে কি হয়? 0 লগত 5 মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে 0 হৈ গৈছে। 5 টো আনসার হিচাপে হোৱা নাই। আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট হলে কি হ'ব? তুমি যি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰা সেইটোৱে আনসার আহিব। যিটো অপাৰেশন কৰা সেইটোৱে আনসার আহিব। So that's why 0 is not the identity element here. Clear? Okay? So let us consider another example. It will be better for us. Let us consider a set of natural number. Suppose the operation is addition. Now my question is that is there any natural number? এনেকুৱা কিবা natural number আছে নেকি যাৰ লগত তুমি যিকোনো natural number প্লাস কৰা the element will remain same? এনেকুৱা কিবা নাম্বার আছে নেকি যাৰ লগত যিকোনো natural number প্লাস কৰিলে সেম থাকিব? আছে নাম্বার এটা 0 plus 5 আনসার কিমান আহিছে 5 0 plus 3 কিমান আহিছে 3 ঠিক আছে correct so that 0 is that number যেহেতু 0 নাম্বার যার লগত যিকোনো নাম্বার প্লাস কৰিলে নাম্বারটা সেম থাকে but মই সুধিছো is there any number natural number সেট টু ভিতৰত কিবা নাম্বার আছে নেকি 0 টু ইয়াৰ নাম্বার নহয় এখানে এডিশন অপারেশনৰ কাৰণে আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট এক্সিস্ট নকৰে 0 টু প্লাস কৰিলে নাম্বাৰবিলাক সেম থাকে নো ডাউট কিন্তু 0 টু ইয়াৰ এলিমেন্ট নহয় মই কি লিখিছো তুমি বাইনাৰি অপাৰেশনটো যিটো সেটৰ ওপৰত ডিফাইন কৰিবা identity element is set হ'ব লাগিব most important identity element should belongs to that set but 0 is not a natural number that's why though after adding 0 with any number the number will remain same it's okay but 0 is not an element of this set that's why তুমি কবা under addition identity element does not exist in natural number set to identity element exist নকৰে কেতিয়া addition operation under যদি মই ইন্টিজাৰ বুলি কৈছো then obviously under the addition operation which one will be considered as identity element addition or karone hole 0 to identity element hoy 0 is there or not in this set of integers yes 0 is there that's why 0 is the identity element here in case of addition operation in where in z number integer set to 0 to identity element hoy addition or karone 0 identity element aru multiplication or karone identity element to kiman hoy 1 hoy hode 1 hoy sabo lage khali asen nai so in this way we can really find out the identity element for any operation if any operation will be given to us operation or set delay the identity element exists to কথা না হয় for example for addition identity element is 0 but in case of natural number 0 is not identity element correct 0 to natural number নহয় কারণে addition operation কারণে natural number set to identity element না থাকে that means if any operation as a set is given to us identity element may or may not exist if it exists then it is always unique to be an identity element what is the condition to be satisfied remember start as a binary operation on a remember identity element should belongs to that set whether binary operation is defined binary operation to jot define kora jay identity element to hetu setor element hobo lagibo so e belongs to a is said to be an identity element if e star belongs to a or equal to a star this one is right hand identity and this one is left hand identity both of them should be equal and it should be true for each and every element of the set a logot protect element logot a protect element logot operation kori answer আহিব let us consider a few examples then it will be easier for us to have the idea about the identity element of any binary operation suppose the question is given like that star is a binary operation on suppose r that means star starts at r cross r to r defined by a star b equal to ab by 4 let us consider this is the binary operation the star is defined as like that a star b is equal to ab by 4 in this way you will get the answers you will get the corresponding images Now you have to find out the identity element of this case. A case to তোমাক identity element find out কৰিব লাগে. It is what how you have to write down the solution. Let E belongs to R. Obviously the binary operation is defined on R, am I correct? It is the identity element to real number এ হ'ব লাগিব. Let consider কৰা হৈছে E belongs to R be the identity element. Identity element. Then for each A belongs to real number as the binary operation is defined on R, E আৰু S সকাৰে হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়া হলে কি হ'ব লাগিব যদি E টো আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট হয় then for each A belongs to R A star E equal to E star A, am I correct? This condition should satisfy. A star E equal to A হ'ব লাগিব আৰু E star, this one is right hand and this one is left hand. Initially I have written like that, you can see it written here also like this one. Now we are going to find out the identity element. How can you find it out? First of all, to find out the identity element, we will consider these two parts. This one equal to this one. So let us try to find it out. A star now. A star E is equal to A. Remember, the binary operation is defined as A star B is equal to AB by 4. A star B মানে যদি AB by 4 হয়, then A star E মানে A by 4 হয়, am I correct? This one is A and this one will be considered as B. A E by 4 is equal to what? A. So AE is equal to 4A, am I correct? So E is equal to 4. What is the value of E you have got? E is equal to 4. Now my question is that 4 is an element of the real number or not? Yes, 4 is an element of the real number. That's why E is equal to 4 is the identity. Wait, you have checked the right hand identity or left hand identity? Right hand identity. You have to check the left hand identity also. That means E star A is also equal to. That means you have to check this one condition also. A condition check কৰিব লাগিব. That means first part to লবা আকৌ second part to লৈ simplify কৰিব লাগিব. E star A equal to A I have considered. Now in the same way EA by 4 is equal to A. That means again here you have E is equal to 4. This one is a real number. And this one is also real number. In both the cases you have, that means already I have told that whenever identity element exists, it should be unique. তুমি right hand identity কোৱা, left hand identity কোৱা. In both the cases you should have the same value of E. Have you got the same value? Yes. That's why E is equal to identity element. তোমালোকে কোনকিটা কথাৰ ইম্পৰ্টেন্স দিব লাগিব? First of all, যিটো সেটত বাইনাৰী অপাৰেচন ডিফাইন কৰিছে আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট হেতু সেটৰ হ'ব লাগিব। বাইনাৰী অপাৰেচন টু ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ ডিফাইন কৰিছে, মই E যিটো ভ্যালু পাইছো টু ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ হয়। First of all, second, it should be unique. Whatever may be the right hand identity or maybe the left hand identity. In both the cases you should have the same value. That's why identity element তোমালোক উলিয়াব দিলে তোমালোকে দুইটাই চেক কৰিব লাগিব। Correct? E is equal to 4. That's why you have to write down 4 E belongs to R is the identity element. At the last moment you have to write it down. Is it clear? So that means 4 to the identity element is what? Initially আমি কি হবে? 1 is the identity element, 0 is the identity element. That means excluding 1 and 0, except 1 or 0 বাদ দিও আৰু যিকোনো এলিমেন্ট তোমালোকে আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট হিচাপে কনসিডাৰ কৰিব পাৰিবা ডিপেন্ডিং আপন দা বাইনাৰী অপাৰেচন ওপৰত ডিপেন্ড কৰি আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্টটো বেলেগ বেলেগ হৈ দেখিছানে হিয়াৰ 4 is the identity element মানে 4 ৰ লগত তুমি যিকোনো ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ অপাৰেচন কৰা আন্ডাৰ দিছ কণ্ডিশ্যন এই কণ্ডিশ্যনটোৰ আন্ডাৰত তোমালোকে 4 ৰ লগত যিকোনো এলিমেন্টৰ অপাৰেচন কৰা আনসাৰ দেখিবা সেম আহিছে তাৰমানে আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট কি হয় 1 into 5 বুলি ক'লে কি আহে আনসাৰ 5 আহে আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট হলে যেটো অপাৰেচন কৰা যায় আনসাৰ সেইটো আহিব লাগে তে মই 4 ৰ লগত অপাৰেচন কৰিম চাওঁচোন কি হয় যিকোনো ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ সাপোজ 4 star x যদি 4 টো আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট হয় তেনে আনসাৰ x আহিব লাগিব নহয় নে 4 টো আইডেন্টিটি এলিমেন্ট এটো আহিব লাগে দেখা যাওক চেক কৰো a star b মানে কি দিয়া আছে ab by 4 so 4 star x মানে 4x by 4 ক্লিয়াৰ এটো a এটো b আকৌ a star b কিমান দিয়া আছে ab by 4 ab by 4 4 cancel what is answer ক্লিয়াৰ এইটা অপাৰেচন কৰিলে যদি x2 গুছি আছে তাহলে 4 must be identity element hence proved. So the last one you have to write down that 4 is the identity element. So let us discuss another question. Okay, the same way let us consider another example which will be better for us. Start a binary operation on n and it is defined as a star b is equal to f plus b. The binary operation is defined as like that. Set is defined as the set of natural numbers. Now let same procedure E belongs to n as binary operation is defined on n identity element should belongs to that set only. be the identity element. Identity. Is it clear? Identity element. Then for since statement, then for all a belongs to natural number, যিকোনো natural number কারণে কি হ'ব লাগিব e star a is equal to a star e হ'ব লাগিব. Now we are going to solve this. E star a equal to a star b is equal to what is the binary operation? A star b equal to a plus b. So e star a is equal to e plus a is equal to a. So what is the answer? A cancel, e is equal to 0. The binary operation is defined on natural number. So identity element should belongs to that set only. What is the identity element here? E. What is the value of e? 0. 0 is a natural number? No. That's why for this operation star identity element does not exist in natural number set. It operation কারণে identity element exist নাই করে। ঠিক আছে? This is not belongs to natural number. We have to check also like related identity. A star e is equal to a. That means we have to check this one condition. Next. Okay? In the same way, a plus e is equal to a. No doubt we have got the same answer, but e should be a natural number because the binary operation is defined on n. That's why e should be a natural number, but we are not getting a natural number. That's why identity element does not exist under this binary operation. Under this operation, identity element does not exist. Even though 0 পাইছো কিন্তু e equal to 0 পাইছো কিন্তু identity element নহয়। কেলে নহয়? কারণ e কি হ'ব লাগে? natural number. যদি মই natural number নকয় যদি integer কলো হেতেন বা মই যদি real number কলো হেতেন, then obviously whatever may be the value you have got e equal to 0, it is both integer as well as real number. That's why 0 is there in case of set of integers as well as set of real number. That's why it will be the identity element. যদি মই set of integers বা real number কৰো কিন্তু মই set কি কৰিছো natural number কৰিছো আৰু 0 natural number হ'ব নোৱাৰে and identity element exist নাই কৰা ঠিক আছে so in this way we can easily say the conditions. Let us consider another example it will be better for us to understand properly. Okay, so let us consider another example. This one is given as okay uniqueness of this one a minus b, suppose a star b equal to a minus b, and star is a binary operation. It is defined as suppose a real number. Now we have to set the identity element. Same procedure. Let it is defined on real number. We have to write down like that. Be the identity element. Then for all a belongs to real number, we should have e star a equal to a star e. Now we are going to simplify. E star a equal to a. This one implies e plus a equal to a. This one implies e equal to 0. Very good. That means this is the operation a minus b. So this one is a and this one is b. So a minus b, which is equal to what? Twice a we have got. Next, try to solve this one. A star e is equal to a. This one implies a minus e is equal to a. This one implies e equal to 0. What we have got? We have got two different values of e. Already I have told that identity element is always unique. Always unique. That means there should not exist more than one identity element in case of any binary operation. But what we have got? Here identity element is not unique. A is a real number. No doubt. A is a real number. That's why twice I is a real number. It's okay. But here also 0 is a real number. But identity element is always unique. But here we are not getting the uniqueness of the identity element. Therefore, you have to give the answer that identity element does not exist. As E is non-unique, identity element does not exist. Therefore, identity element does not exist. You have to give the answer like that. It should be on the set as well as it should be always unique. But here, uniqueness does not satisfy this binary operation. That's why identity element does not exist. So in this way, we will try to find out the identity element for different operations. Depending upon the identity element, what are the steps? First of all, you have to consider an identity element from that set where the binary operation is defined, and then for all orders elements, this condition should satisfy. Then try to solve the right hand identity as well as the left hand identity. In both the cases, if you have the same answer, as well as if the value of E belongs to the set where a binary operation is defined, then it will be the identity element for this operation. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much.